The lost opportunity. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who was addicted to social media. He spent all his time scrolling through his phone, checking notifications, and mindlessly watching videos. Jack had a dream of becoming a successful writer, but he never took the time to work towards it. One day, Jack's friend invited him to a writing workshop. Jack was hesitant at first, but he eventually agreed to go. At the workshop, Jack met other aspiring writers who were passionate about their craft. They exchanged ideas, shared their work, and gave each other feedback. Jack was amazed by the talent and dedication of the other writers. He realized that he had been wasting his time on social media instead of pursuing his dream. Jack left the workshop inspired and motivated to start writing. As Jack began to write, he discovered that he had a talent for storytelling. He poured his heart and soul into his work, and his writing started to improve. Jack's passion for writing grew stronger every day, and he found that he enjoyed the process of creating something meaningful. Years later, Jack became a successful author, with several best-selling books to his name. He often thought back to that day at the writing workshop when he realized the lost opportunity he had been squandering on social media. The moral of the story is that time is a precious resource, and we must use it wisely. We should not waste our time on things that do not contribute to our growth and development. By pursuing our dreams and passions, we can achieve great things and make a meaningful impact on the world.